Hi Casper, come join us at 4401 Freedom Circle to see what some of the great luxury amenities that this home has to offer. Let's go. Starting in the kitchen, we have an 8-burner stove and a commercial grade ventilation, perfect for any cooking enthusiast. Throughout the house, you'll find elegant accents from stunning chandeliers to exquisite finishes. The luxury master suite features a spa-like bath and a custom built-in closet. For those who love to entertain, the home includes 2 fully equipped bars, complete with kegerators, fridges, ice machines, microwaves, and ample storage. For the tech savvy, the home includes a built-in media hub station for seamless connectivity throughout the home. Outside, there's a covered patio with automated sunshades, creating a perfect space for relaxation or entertainment. To explore these features and more, come see me at the open house.